Hey, what's going on everybody? So today I'm going to show you all how to go live on TikTok without actually needing to have 1,000 followers. So you can literally have 0 followers and still go live with this simple trick that I'm going to show you right here. It's very simple, and we're going to be using this tweaked version of TikTok called TikTok++, and with it comes a lot of different features that you guys are definitely going to love. For example, you can get free followers, free likes. There's a lot of other cool things. You can see your stalkers like that keep repeatedly stalking your account and posts. So guys, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you exactly how this method works, and then I'll show you all how to do it as well on iOS or Android. So let's go ahead and do it, guys. All right, guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers. This is by far the easiest method. It's actually really cool though, because there's also some other benefits that you're going to be able to use with this method as well. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So the way we're going to be doing this is with this app called TikTok++, which I'll be showing you right here in this video how to download, because this is a tweaked app, which means you won't be able to get it from like the App Store or the Google Play Store. But I'll show you guys how to download it later in the video. But really, first, I just wanted to show you all how this method does work. So the problem here is that you don't have 1,000 followers, and you're obviously not able to get that many like that quick. It does take some time. But with this app, we're able to instantly get over 1,000 followers. And what if I told you guys that these are all real followers as well? These are not going to be bots. So check this out. You see how many followers I have right now? It's 1. I have no followers, but you see the add button? Well, every time you tap on it, it actually adds free followers to your account. And then all you have to go and do is just keep doing this until you get above 1,000, and then you'll be able to go ahead and go live. And these are real followers too that will actually engage with your posts and stuff. So as you can see, we just tapped it 4 times, and now we have 400 followers. You need 1,000 though, so you just go ahead and sit there and tap it 10 times, and then you have 1,000 followers, and then you'll be able to start going live. So it's pretty awesome how easy this does work. There's other cool features in it too. Like I said, you'll be able to see who stalks your account. You can also see private accounts as well, which is pretty cool. So yeah, guys, now enough of the chit chat. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all exactly how to download this TikTok++ app, so you can go ahead and go live without having 1,000 followers on your TikTok account. So let's go ahead and do it, guys. First thing that we have to go ahead and do though is just make sure that our device that we're on is ready for the download. And what I mean by this is we just have to go ahead and change some settings on our iOS and Android device really quick to make sure that we are prepared for the download and are going to be able to successfully install it without any issues. So we have to go ahead and change some settings really quick. So if you're on iOS, open up the settings app. If you're on Android, we also have to change some settings, but first I'll do the iOS device. So go ahead and open up the settings app, and what you guys are going to want to do is go ahead and look for where it says battery. And then in battery, you guys are going to want to look for the low power mode option. You're just going to want to go ahead and make sure you have this turned off. So as you all can see, I have it off right now, so that's perfect. Then once you guys have done that, you're going to want to go over to where it says general. And then in general, you guys are going to want to go ahead and tap on about, and just make sure that your software version is above iOS 10. So as you all can see, I'm on iOS 14.3, which means I'm good to go, and I'm ready to install the app. Now, if you're below iOS 10, you will have to go ahead and upgrade your iOS device or your iOS version really quick so that you'll be above iOS 10. And to do that is pretty simple. Just tap the software update in the general option, and you'll see like the latest iOS. Just tap download and install. That could take like about 10 to 20 minutes though, so you might not be able to do that right away, or you might not be able to do it really fast. But when you do update it, just come back to the video and then you can follow the instructions once again. But if you guys are on an Android device, we also have to go ahead and change some settings really quick. They're a little bit easier than iOS though, so you guys are in luck if you're on Android. All you really have to do is find like the battery setting on your Android device, and you're gonna want to look for the battery saver, and just simply go to make sure you guys have this turned off. That's simple, guys. Literally all you have to do is just make sure it's off. Now if you don't see this setting on your Android device, you can actually just skip this step entirely, so that's really good for you if you can't find it, because not all Android devices have the exact same settings to begin with. But anyways, now we'll go ahead and show you guys how to wrap things up and finish installing the TikTok++ app. Now, like I did say, guys, this is a tweaked app, which means you're not going to be able to get it from like the App Store or the Google Play Store. So how exactly do you download the app then? Well, we're not able to get it from the App Store, so the only way to get it is from this website called tweaklink.vip, guys. So go over to tweaklink.vip. And basically this website is like a tweaked app store that's fully web-based and free to use. So just head on over to the site, and once you guys are here, what we're going to want to do is come over here to the search bar and just go ahead and type in TikTok. And there it is right there, guys, TikTok++ on tweaklink.vip. It's going to say get free followers, see stalkers, and more. So what we're going to want to do now is go ahead and tap on it. Then it's going to say install required or injection required or whatever. Just tap the start button. And now what we have to go and do, guys, is wait for this to load. Give it about like 10 to 20 seconds. and then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the download of the app, guys. But just make sure you keep on watching until the end of the video. There is like one last step that we have to go ahead and do that is very, very important, so make sure you guys do keep on watching until the end of the video. As you can see, it's still loading. In the meantime, though, while we wait for this to load, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could all leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot to me, and it does help out the channel a lot and get the video more recommended and stuff like that, guys. So yes, right now we're going to load up here, and now it's going to say, please follow and complete the instructions of all the offers below. Once completed, the download will finish. So this is the last step that we have to go ahead and complete, guys. It is very important, though, that you do this step correctly, as if you don't, then the TikTok Plus will not install correctly, guys. So to get started, go ahead and tap on one of the apps. The instructions of that app will pop up. So for example, this one is saying, download and install this app. Then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. So right now we're just going to go ahead and get started with our first offer. And right now we're just running our first offer, guys. And then once you complete it, then we're just going to want to head back and do the rest of them. And after we've done all the offers, guys, we'll be pretty much done, and the full, TikTok Plus app will be installed. And that's how easy this is to do. Just make sure you guys do every offer, and it should work for you. So thank you guys very much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.